In this video, we'll take a tour of Google's Cultural Institute, a wonderful tool for immersing in other cultures and touring museums and exhibits around the world. To get here, navigate to google.com/culturalinstitute. This is the same URL as artsandculture.google.com. The home page has a digest that changes daily, featuring a variety of themes and stories. Each focuses on a specific museum or exhibit, or cultural aspect such as festivals, fashion, jewelry, performing arts, furniture, archaeology, and more. These stories are comprised of various media, including documents, images, videos, and interviews. Click the Explore link for a list of categories and collections. As an example, if you're studying the Civil War, you could click Historic Events, then click Civil War. Or go back and click Historical Figures and click Abraham Lincoln. On each of these pages, you'll see a huge amount of curated information. Having all of these resources in one spot makes it easy for students to find research material. To share a page, click the Share icon near the top. If you choose to share in Google Classroom, students in your classes can easily access this page. To search for content, you can also use the list of links along the left side. These reflect the options available through the links at the top right. One of these options is Places. As an example, if I visit South Korea, I can click on a particular museum or exhibit. Each of these contains several stories and a collection of images or video for that museum or exhibit. If I go back, I can scroll down to the bottom of the page where I can click Explore. This works like Google Earth Street View, placing me inside the museum. I can drag my mouse to look around and use my scroll wheel to zoom in and out. I can use the arrows and X's to walk from room to room. I'll go back to the home page by clicking this title. To find a specific country or topic, I can use the search icon here. For example, searching for violin produces over 100 related stories, over 1,000 images and videos, and even a violin museum I can explore. Finally, I'll click Experiments, which has several activities that let students experience art firsthand. I'll try X degrees of separation by clicking Launch Experiment. I can drag seemingly unrelated piece of art to see how they can be connected through other works. Several activities on the Experiments page would make great projects for art classes.